Hey, Paw Patrol fans! It's the Chase and Marshall Brothers Super Show! We're the Chase Brothers, the plumbers, okay? But not like the others, so get all the fame. If you think it's in trouble, you can call us on a double. The faster than the others should be Hope Garner Brothers. Yeah! Hope Garner Brothers. Whoop, 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 whoop! Yo, you headed for trees to hang on to, you see? Get ready for adventure and remarkable things. You mean Bear, Holiday, Nurse, SpongeBob, others. Hanging with the plumbers should be Hope Garner Brothers. To the trees! Oh, don't the brothers.
Marshall and Chase Bros, Plumber Pirate Crew Team. Arr!
Avast me hearties!
Pineapple House, sure, prepare to be morning.
What now? What's the another plumbing emergency, Marshall and Chase?
That's Captain Marshall and Chase to you.
And this is no plumbing this time.
Alright, we're gonna be Plumber Pirate Crew Team. Plumber Pirate Crew Team?
Aye, how'd you like to go on a real treasure hunt with our real treasure map?
Treasure? Did somebody say treasure?
Aye, here to join Mr. Krabs? Aye, I already got my pirate suit with our real treasure map.
Well, that's nice. We already got our own treasure map.
We're gonna be pirates! We're gonna be pirates!
Pirates skip and pirates don't skip. Come on, Miss Pirate Cat, so won't be embarrassed to be seen with you.
Oh, Captain, look! Peg legs and eye patches.
Oh, don't you feel more like pirates?
Look, I'm Peggy the pirate.
I'm Blind Beard the pirate.
Ow!
This is irritated.
Oh, brother. Keep a sharp lookout, SpongeBob.
According to the map, we're close to the first landmark.
Really? Can we see the map?
No! Only the captain can lay eyes on the map.
Thank you, Mr. Krabs.
Okie dokie then.
Arr! A pirate doesn't say okie dokie then. A pirate says arr.
Arg, is that right?
Oh, okie. I mean, arg, Captain.
Chase!
Captain, we're about to hit the. Arg, Cap, arg, we're about to hit.
Now for the bed! Arr!
Arg! Think! Arg! He's trying! Arg! To say! Land.
From now on, only the captain says arg!
Okay, let's settle down, Chase. Status report, Mr. Squarepants?
The whole ship is underwater, Captain.
Arg! We're marooned then.
Arg, this isn't a big problem. Our treasure hunt will have to continue on foot.
See? Now you get it.
Arg, come on, you three. This is gonna be a great treasure hunt ever, huh?
That's right, my captain brother.
Stick around, Paw Patrol fan. We'll be right back. Ahoy there, everybody. Welcome back to Chase and Marshall Bros Show.
This is it, fellas. From a seaweed with 2 leaps on it, 10,000 paces east.
Marshall.
That seaweed has.
Now, don't remind him. I'll get it. There, that's better.
Which way, Captain?
Okay.
Ensign Patrick, which way is east?
Let's see. That way, Captain.
9,998, 9,999, 10,000. Where's the X? It's supposed to be right here. 10,000 paces east.
Oh, east? I thought you said west.
Wheeze? What kind of compass are you reading?
This one, sir. That's west, Patrick.
Why did I get that compass?
9,551, 9,552.
Marshall and Chase.
We're tired.
And hungry.
Yeah, and I'm afraid we're lost.
Oh, So this is our crew. You get a little tired and a little bit lost and a little bit hungry, and you want to just go on home. That sickens me. A pirate dog's not for the largest clothes or the size of his fur. A pirate not for the loyalty of his pub's crew. But without a loyal crew, what are we catching up? Just a bunch of sin. Oh, you poor dog.
Don't cry, Captain.
Chase?
Yeah, we'll be your loyal crew.
So, you'll stay with us then?
We'll be the most loyal pirate crew ever!
I knew I could count on you boys! One for all!
And all for one!
A few moments later.
Wow, that really is based on a real treasure map.
Well, what are you waiting for, lads? Dig! Dig! Dig, 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 dig!
We've got it, Captain.
Chase!
Hand it up to me, lads! We finally found it!
Patchy the Pirate Treasure!
Wow!
This is it! This is our chance to take it back to our plumbing lookout!
Are you sure we should be doing this, Chase? What if it belongs to someone else?
Ah, don't be silly, bro. It's fine.
Yeah, but what if Patchy the Pirate won't know it's us?
Marshall, it's fine. See? Nobody's out there.
Oh, come on, Chase. We know Patchy the Pirate is around here somewhere.
Well, why? You don't know where Patchy the Pirate lives.
Guys.
Well, I do know where Patchy the Pirate lives. He lives in a house.
Oh, yeah? Well, he doesn't live in a house.
Well, he did.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Liar, fur on fire.
Why you make me so mad?
I'm gonna throw you overboard for saying that!
That's it.
I'm Patchy the Pirate. I'm Patchy the Pirate.
Who dares wake
Patchy the Pirate.
Keep it down, will ya? I'm trying to get some sleep. Who dug up
Patchy the Pirate.
treasure? Ladies!
Well, what?
So you two scallywags dug up me treasure.
Okay, I'm sorry, Marshall. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, Chase. I'm sorry.
Well, you saved me a lot of digging, you did. So here's a reward for the two of yous.
Wow.
2 gold doubloons!
Thanks, Patchy.
Yeah, thanks.
Wait!
We're part of their crew.
Yeah, so
What about...
we would.
I guess you're right. A little something for your trouble.
Yay!
Gold, 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 gold. Huh? Oh, it's just a little plastic treasure chest.
Plastic!
Well, gotta go. See you later.
Well, bro, our big adventure is over now.
All right, Captain Bro. Let's go home.
Come on, you three.
You, Mr. Krabs, you're looking all sweaty again.